some ancient people from South Africa had genetic variation that falls outside of the range of living genetic variation from people today. And I'm not talking about archaic humans like Neanderthals. I'm talking about people that were just around a couple thousand years ago. This does not mean that they were a separate species. In fact, to me, it means something more interesting. If you're only studying living populations to understand the history of human genetic variation, you're really missing a lot. We've known for a long time that human genetic variation outside of sub-Saharan Africa is largely a subset of the genetic variation found within sub-Saharan Africa, and that's easily explained by our common ancestry in Africa. But this study is providing a pretty cool update to that pattern. Published in the journal Nature, researchers sequenced 28 ancient South African genomes, and the older genomes had genetic profiles that are outside of the range of living people, including people living in South Africa today. To some extent, we shouldn't be surprised because human migrations can mix or replace or dilute genetic variation that was there historically. And this really shows the importance of ancient DNA studies to see what was there before. In doing so, the researchers found that South Africa was consistent with a large, stable population for thousands of years, where genetic variation might have moved out, but not really moved in until about 1,400 years ago. Roughly 1,400 years ago is when farmers and herders from East and West Africa started to move into the area. The takeaway is not that we found the original pure humans. Please do not do that. But it does mean that our species were more structured, more regionally varied than can be gleaned from the information solely from living populations.